Welcome to the Windows 10 and Computer channel, and today in our daily news bits, these little tidbits of news that we have throughout the day, starting this week, we have Intel that is in the news as of today, September 11th, 2019. Intel and the Tokyo 2020 Summer Olympics will be partnering, and of course, it's a partnership that goes with the Olympic Committee. And of course, this is been announced. They actually were on the kind of the positive side of what happens in the 2018 Pyeongchang Olympics, where Intel was actually a big part of it. Well, they are partnering again, and this time they want to bring all sorts of new and interesting technologies. They say that there's going to be groundbreaking technologies, not just very fast 5G connectivity, but also all sorts of groundbreaking technologies, including analyzing players and disciplines in 3D, kind of having a look at how the different athletes will perform. Also, VR, virtual reality training, and all sorts of other gizmos and things that apparently are going to amaze us next year at the Tokyo 2020 Summer Games. So I think this is going to be interesting to see. They did have a few little things that were kind of amazing, including that Pyeongchang Winter Olympic set of drones that they had set in the air to make the Olympic rings that was Intel driven. So, who knows? It's going to be interesting to see what they bring us in terms of technologies for next year's Olympics. And the Olympics are always a great place where there's always, kind of new innovation and all sorts of interesting things we've never seen before. So I'm looking forward to that. I think this is going to be fun. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.